Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know usually I do makeup tutorials, but today this was a highly requested video for how I make my own laundry detergent. Let's get to it. You're gonna need all these ingredients that I posted. You wanna get the right size that it shows on the screen. Also be careful with the Zodi soaps. Make sure it's the 4.1 ounce bars and the Oxy Orange Awesome laundry booster. You can get those at the dollar store. They're only 99 cents plus tax. So now you're going to get a big pot. I used my crab. This pot I used for my crab boils, but I ended up buying another one, so I just used this for that. You just want to add everything together. If you want to use gloves, you can. This mixture it will dry your hands out if you're not careful. So I don't use gloves because I'm kind of used to it. But if you want to use gloves, go ahead and just use a regular pair of gloves. You know, the little throwaway gloves like at the dollar store. You want to grind up your Zodi soaps. You want to grind them in like a cheese grater. Then you go ahead and mix everything together. This batch will last you at least, for my family of 3, it lasts us at least 6 months. I don't have to buy any laundry soap. We just use this. You want to use the small scooper that comes inside of the Oxy container. And I use 2 for an extra large load. And you guys are good to go. I never use other laundry soaps because of this. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. And thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.